Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook grits with milk. To begin, you'll want to combine your liquid and grits in a saucepan. A great starting point is a ratio of 4 cups of milk to 1 cup of grits. Whole milk or 2% milk will give you the creamiest results. Make sure to have a whisk handy, as stirring is key to preventing lumps and achieving that smooth, delicious texture we all love. Once your milk is in the saucepan, bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. As soon as it starts to bubble, slowly whisk in your grits. This gradual addition helps prevent any lumps from forming. After all the grits are incorporated, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let them simmer. You'll want to cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. For truly creamy grits, frequent stirring is your best friend. This prevents them from sticking to the bottom and ensures a consistent texture throughout. If your grits become too thick during cooking, simply add a splash more milk until you reach your desired consistency. For an extra layer of richness, stir in a tablespoon of butter or even a 1/4 cup of your favorite cheese just before serving. Delicious. Grits are best enjoyed immediately, while they are still warm and wonderfully creamy. You can customize them to your liking, whether you prefer a sweet breakfast with a pat of butter and a sprinkle of sugar, or a savory side dish with crispy bacon or a fried egg. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply refrigerate them. When reheating, just add a little extra milk to bring back that perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.